For Canadians who want to take control of their investments, two major names dominate the conversation: Questrade and Wealthsimple Trade. Both offer self-directed trading platforms that let you buy and sell stocks and exchange-traded funds on your own. But they take very different approaches. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just getting started, choosing between the two depends on how much flexibility, cost control, and market access you want. Questrade has been around for over 2 decades and is known as one of Canada's most established discount brokerages. It is built for investors who want depth, control, and a wide range of investment choices. With Questrade, you can trade stocks, exchange-traded funds, options, and even international securities on both US and Canadian exchanges. The platform offers a desktop version and mobile app, both geared toward people who want advanced tools like detailed charts, research data, and real-time quotes. One of Questrade's biggest advantages is cost efficiency. Buying exchange-traded funds is free, and selling them costs a small fee per trade. Stock trades are also affordable compared to the big banks' traditional brokerages. You can open different account types: tax-free savings accounts, registered retirement savings plans, and non-registered accounts, and manage them all in one place. Questrade is a great fit for investors who are comfortable managing their own portfolios and want to build wealth through low fees and more control. Wealthsimple Trade takes a simpler, mobile-first approach. It is designed for convenience and accessibility, making investing easy for beginners. With Wealthsimple Trade, there are no commissions on buying or selling stocks and exchange-traded funds on Canadian or US markets. The app interface is clean and minimal, which helps new investors feel comfortable without being overwhelmed by technical data. Opening an account takes only a few minutes, and funding is fast and straightforward. The biggest appeal of Wealthsimple Trade is how effortless it feels. You can start investing with a small amount, track your holdings from your phone, and trade without worrying about transaction fees. However, it does have some limitations compared to Questrade. There are no options or advanced order types, and research tools are limited. For investors who need more depth, that can feel restrictive. But for those who value simplicity, it is a refreshing way to get into the market. Wealthsimple also offers a premium version called Wealthsimple Plus, which gives you access to larger instant deposits and the ability to hold both Canadian and US dollars to avoid currency conversion fees. Questrade, on the other hand, already offers multi-currency accounts by default, making it more cost-effective for active investors trading on US markets. Both platforms are solid choices for Canadians who want to manage their own money. Questrade gives you the full toolkit to build and optimize your portfolio, while Wealthsimple Trade removes friction and makes investing accessible to everyone. The right one depends on how hands-on you want to be with your investments and how much control you want over the details. Either way, both make it easier than ever for Canadians to grow their wealth independently.